After making a longer Stickles glitter glue swatching video with 10 different colors, I thought I'd like to take segments of it and focus in on comparing 3 different white Stickles glitter glues now. Let's compare and contrast Stickles Crystal Glitter Glue, Stickles Diamond Glitter Glue, and Stickles Frosted Lace Glitter Glue. One can never have too many sparkly things, right? But what's the difference between these 3 types of white glitter glues by Ranger? Let's find out. The bottle on the left is crystal, in the middle is diamond, and on the right is frosted lace. Pretty names that all sound like some sort of white or sparkly clear color. What are your first impressions? I had a hard time choosing when looking at them online, so I ordered all 3. I hope this video will help you decide which Stickles might serve your mixed media art and crafting desires. Much appreciation for tapping that little subscribe button here at Creative Solace Studios to stay up on new mixed media art tutorials such as art journal, junk journal, and nature journal projects and inspiration. Let's set up this art journal page for swatching Stickles Glitter Glue by Ranger, and then let's explore those 3 versions of white. The full video, including more colors in my new collection, is listed in the description, and now we'll jump to the bottom of this swatching paper to sample Crystal Stickles Glitter Glue by Ranger. Since it's a clear art supply, I wanted to include some swatches both on the white mixed media paper and also on top of black Posca paint marker. We'll look more closely after it's all dry, and we'll continue onwards now by swatching Diamond Stickles Glitter Glue by Ranger. Time for your eye test. Think of it like one of those hidden picture puzzles where you try to spot the differences between pictures. These white glitter glues really are different, but just how different are they? Before answering that question, let's break out the Frosted Lace Stickles Glitter Glue by Ranger and really test our visual color comparison skills by adding a 3rd clear or white glitter glue to our handy chart. Oh my, now let's concentrate and analyze these sparkles. By angling the paper and catching the light in different ways, I can discern some subtle differences between these 3 colors. Can you? Starting from the bottom with the frosted lace, that one appears to be the most like pure white, without golds or other color undertones. Perhaps the frosted lace has some silver in there, but I would definitely choose that Stickles if I wanted a crisp white glitter glue on a project. It looks like snow. Now for Diamond Stickles, the second example from the bottom of the page. In that product, I see gold along with the white, especially when showcased on the black. Diamond Stickles has an added bling with the gold, so it has that little something extra when you might feel like being fancier than the frosted lace, but notice that it's mostly on a black background when the eye picks up on the gold feature in it. Same thing with Crystal Stickles, the 3rd example from the bottom. When it's used on top of black, it appears to have some light blue or even light green in it, kind of holographic. But it doesn't show up that way all the time. On just the white paper, the crystal glitter glue actually has pink undertones. It's almost like a special effects glitter glue with 2 different looks depending on the color of paper used. When do you think you'd use that, Stickles? So much of this is personal preference or choice, or just using what you have on hand at the time. So to recap, I think Frosted Lace Stickles looks like white, Diamond Stickles has a gold reflection in it, and Crystal varies from pink to blue or green depending on the background color that's used. I hope that gives you some insight into these 3 colors of White Stickles Glitter Glue by Ranger. And there are actually more Stickles in the white family that I'm sure all have their own unique flavor and specialness as well. Have fun creating and making some sparkly bling with Stickles in your mixed media art projects, and let me know if you have a favorite White Stickles Glitter Glue.